My video is about removing the online scam that comes from the site antivirusdefense.com. So, antivirusdefense.com is a deceptive site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. This website claims to be related to some well-known security program, but this information is absolutely faulty. It is not related to that program. Antivirusdefense.com tries to make people download and install some potentially unwanted software. For this purpose, the website displays pretty scary messages that encourage people to do that. But downloading or installing anything that these pop-ups suggests is extremely dangerous because, as we said, your browser or your computer in general may be infected with some potentially unwanted applications. We recommend you to disregard these pop-ups. We recommend that you check the safety of your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get its latest version on the official website combocleaner.com. So use this green download button, install the program, and begin carefully researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete all other threats fully from your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.